Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you a new feature of how to actually bulk import a load of types and subtypes into your stock table. So what I mean by that is, if I log myself in now and then I go to stock, then if I go to stock manager and if I just go to search, what I'm referring to is this section here, so the types and subtypes. So for example, you want to do a big cleanup, or you want to introduce a load new more types and subtypes and you don't want to have to do it all manually, there's an imported way of doing this. So what we can do is we can just close that now, and then we're going to go to the types and manufacturers editor. So we click on that, and there's a few new buttons here. So these are the two I'm going to talk about today. So you've got to generate a CSV and also import types via CSV. So the generate literally just produces a template for you so the system can read it once you import it. It's really simple. So if you just physically click on that, it'll obviously then show ask you where you want to save it. I've already done that. So I've done it and I've thrown it into here. So it's literally just this, so type and subtype. Now I've just put a few in here just as a little example. So you could have an absolute shed load in there if you need to. Obviously if you just want to do a type and then they don't have a subtype link to it, you can effectively do something like that and then put a dash in there as well, for example, so there's no subtype to that particular product effectively. So what I've done there is it's just dead simple. So what I'll do is I'll just save that now, and I'm happy with that. So we'll save that, we'll close that. Yeah, we want to save it. Yep. Okay, so what we do now we want to import them. So if I click on import types via CSV, then ask me where it is. So I should click on there like so, click on open, and then what you have to do is just literally close it, reopen it, and then there you have it. So there's all the little extra ones I just added in there now. So there's my food, my lizard food and stuff like that. So that's all being thrown in there now for you, so you can actually physically see it all and actually, have it there in bulk. So if you want to do a massive load of them, instead of you having to go new type and do it all that way, there's a bulk way of doing it as well. So there you have it. I do hope that's been useful. Thank you much for watching. Check you out next time. See you now.